Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have solved the exercise 1.1 first question. There are 4 questions in first main, and homework is given to write the similar examples for that. But today let us continue the next part of the exercise, that is the second main. See, in the second main, write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. First one is A equals to 10, D equals to 10. Second one is A equals to minus 2, D equals to 0. So as there are 5 sums, let us solve every one. See, first one. A equals to 10, B equals to 10. Let us find the first term. A equals to 10, that implies A1 equals to 10. Then we need A2 equals to A1 plus D, that is 10 plus 10, that is equals to 20. Then A3 equals to A2 plus D. A2 is 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10, that is equals to 30. Then A4 equals to A3 plus D equals to 30 plus 10, that is equals to 40. This is one of the simple method finding the first 4 terms of the AP. 4 terms we found as 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the 4 terms. Another method we can use, that is using the ANth formula. ANth equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. We need 4 terms. Okay, first A1, first term, that is 10 plus 1 minus 1, that is D, 0, 10 plus 0, that is the 10, that is given. Then A2 equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 10 plus 2 minus 1 into D, that is 10. Two minus 1, 10, that is 10 plus 2 into 1, 10, that is 10 plus 1 into 10, 10, that is 20, that is A2 20. Then A3 equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 10, n is 3, 3 minus 1 into D is 10, 10 plus 2 into 10, that is 10 plus 2 tens are 20, that is equals to 30. Similarly, A4 equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A 10 plus 4 n 4 minus 1 into 10, 10 plus 3 into 10, that is 10 plus 3 tens are 30, that is equals to 40. This is also one of the alternative method, but this method is very easy to find the next 4 terms. This is also a useful one, but you have to apply the formula. Anth equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A1, that simply we have calculated, that is 10 plus 1 minus 1 as 10, that is 1 minus 1 into 0 into 10, 0, that is A1 is 10. then a2, a plus n minus 1 into d, a2 means n means 2, that is 2 minus 1, now 1 into 10, 10 that is 20, then a3, the n value of n is 3, that we got 30, then a4, value of n is 4, we got 40. Whatever the answer we got in this case are similar. So, any method you can use. This one is very simple, you can use. Okay, see once again in what way it has solved. First one, that is the easy method. Second one is formula method. You can apply the formula and you can find the next 4 terms of the AP. Okay, then let us continue the second one. Second, a equals to minus 2, a equals to 0, a equals to minus 2 means a1 equals to minus 2, then a2 equals to a1 plus b, that is a1 minus 2 plus 0, that is equals to minus 2, then a3 equals to a2 plus d, that is a2 how much? Minus 2, the d is 0, that is equals to minus 2, then a4, that is a3 plus d, that is minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. Therefore, the 4 terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 are the 4 terms. Are the 4 terms. You can use that formula also, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. See once again attentively, a is equal to minus 2, d equals to 0, here a1, a equals to minus 2, that implies a1 equals to minus 2, a2 is nothing but that common difference is added to the previous term, that is a1 plus d, here also that a3 has also a2 plus d, a4 is a3 plus d, value is substituted, then we got the terms of the AP in this pattern, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. What is the constant common difference here? The constant common difference is given, that is the 0. Shall I continue third one? Okay. A equals to 4, B equals to minus 3. See, A equals to 4, B equals to minus 3. A equals to 4 means that implies A1 equals to 4. Then A2 equals to A1 plus B. That is equals to A1, how much? That is 4 plus D minus 3, that is equals to 1. Then A3 equals to A2 plus D, A2 is 1 minus 3, that is equals to minus 2. Then A4 is A3 plus D, that is A3 is minus 2 plus of minus 3, that is equals to minus 2 minus 3, that is equals to minus 5. Here also you can keep plus in the bracket minus 3. plus in the bracket minus 3. Similar answer we will get 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. See, the four terms are the four terms are 4, 1, then minus 2, then minus 5. 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. A equals to 4, that is A1. A2 equals to A1 plus D, that is 4. D is minus 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. Then A3 equals to A2 plus D. A2 what we have got? 1. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Larger number is minus 3. So then A4, A3 plus D. A3 how much we got? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus of minus 3. Instead simply you can write there is minus 3 also. So minus 2 minus 3, that becomes, if signs are same, add the terms and keep the same sign. Minus 2 minus 3, that is the minus 5. The four terms are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Okay. See the problem once again. See the solution. Next, the fourth one. A equals to minus 1, D equals to 1 by 2. A equals to minus 1, that implies A1 equals to minus 1. Then A2 equals to A1 plus D. A1 is minus 1 plus D plus 1 by 2. Then the LCM will be 2. 1 2s are 2 1s are minus 2 plus 1. That is equals to minus 1 by 2. Then A3 equals to A2 plus D, that is minus 1 by 2 plus D plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 0. Then A4 equals to A3 plus D. A3 is 0 plus D 1 by 2, that is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, the four terms are minus 1, then minus 1 by 2, then 0, then plus 1 by 2. Okay, see once again here that the common difference is in fraction, that is 1 by 2. We have to calculate the LCM of the terms. So here A1 plus D minus 1 plus 1 by 2, the LCM is 2. The 1 2s are 2 1s are 1 into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is greater number sign, minus of 1 by 2. Here A3 A2 plus D minus 1 by 2 we got. So plus 1 by 2 is the common difference. Plus or minus cancels. Therefore that is equals to 0. A4th is A3 plus D. 0 plus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. The four terms are minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Okay. Let us solve the next one. A equals to minus 1.5, D equals to 0.25. Okay. Fifth. A equals to minus 1.25, then D equals to 0.25. A equals to minus 1.25, that implies A1 equals to minus 1.25. Then A2 equals to A1 plus D. A1 how much? Minus 1.25, that is plus D, that is 0.25. That equals to, see, 1.25, 0.25, that is subtraction, that is 1. Larger number sign is minus 1. Okay. Then A3 equals to A2 plus D. A2 what we have got? Minus 1 plus 0.25. Minus 1 plus 0.25. Here 1.00, 0.25, that is minus 0.75. Next A4. A4 equals to A3 plus D. That is A3 minus 0.75 plus, that is 0.25. Okay, 0.75 minus 25, that is minus 0.50. The four terms are that is minus 1.25, then A2 minus 1, then there is minus 0.75, there is minus 0.50. See attentively in what way we have solved it. Okay, now second main is completed. In the third main, very simple questions are there. That is, we have to find the first term and common difference. Okay, let us solve that question number 3, third main. Okay, see here the third question. For the following AP, write the first term and common difference. See, the first one, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Question is very simple. First term A equals to 3. Common difference, B equals to A2 minus A1. A2 second term 1. Minus 3, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Common difference is minus 2. In case of second one, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. First term A equals to minus 5. D equals to A2 minus A1, that is A1. A2 is minus 1, minus of minus 5, that is minus 1 plus 5, that is equals to 4. Then in third case, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, then 9 by 3, then 13 by 3. Say first term A equals to 1 by 3. Common difference A equals to A2 minus A1. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. LCM is 3. 1 ja 1 ja. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 means 4 by 3. Like that, you have to solve the fourth one. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. Like that. Today I will give some homework. Then you have to solve in home without fail. See the methods, in what way we have solved the questions. A, common difference, how we have calculated the common difference. Then fourth one you have to do in your home. Okay, my dear students, today we have solved two mains of the exercise 1.1. Today I am giving you homework related to the what the pattern I have solved in the two mains. The first main method, that is write the first 5 terms of the AP. I have solved for the example like write the first 4 terms. Here I have given you the 5 terms you have to write. Then find the first term and the common difference. This one is very easy one. Everyone can solve this question. But carefully you solve the first main. Write the first 5 terms of the AP. Okay. Tomorrow we shall continue the next main of the exercise 1.1 of the arithmetic progression. Thank you.